I'm about to start a new project, so I want to put a fresh blade in this rotary cutter. I thought this would be the perfect time to show you how I make my blades last as long as possible. So, number one, this is my current favorite rotary cutter for now. So I need to change this one, but this blade is still sharp. It might leave a thread or two when I'm trimming, but it's still perfectly fine. So what I do is I'll take the blade from this rotary cutter and put it into my second favorite rotary cutter, and then I'll take this blade and put it into my least favorite rotary cutter, and they each serve a different purpose. So this one, my favorite one, cuts fabric. My second favorite one will do batting, and then finally, my last one will do paper. So you might be asking what happens to this rotary blade when I'm done with it. It's going to go back into my pack of rotary blades, and this is my favorite brand. They last so long. I'll leave a link in the description of this video if you're interested. I think there's like 10 to a pack, but I've had them for years. They work really well. They work for a long time. So I will take these out, and you can see the two on the bottom, they are used. So I put a little bit of washi tape on that blade to mark them as used. And I have these little sheets here that I use for a bunch of different things, but I use them also to mark my used blades. Super simple, and I'll link these in the description of the video too. So that means that this blade gets 3 different lives: fabric, batting, paper, and then it goes to the graveyard when I'm done. So starting with my least favorite, I'm going to unscrew this part, set that aside, pop that out. Then I'll take off the blade, grabbing from each side, not at the sharp point. And this is why I don't like this one very much. It gets stuck. Woo. Okay, so I'll take that out. I'll pick a sticker from this page, and you can see there's a thin band, a wide band, and then down here there are circles. But I'm just going to take a little bit of the skinny one, and I'll just rip it right there. Take my blade and mark it as used. Just like that. Being super careful the whole time. The last time I mentioned anything about rotary blades, people were so paranoid I was going to cut myself. But I'm fine. I've been doing this a long time. I've never cut myself once. Now I'm going to set these pieces to the side, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to unscrew it and take this blade and put it here. Screw that all together, and then one last time I'm going to unscrew this and put that blade there. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I think you get the point. But this way I use every last bit of sharpness from each of my blades. And this one also I use for cardboard sometimes. So paper or cardboard. Anyway, I hope that helped. Nice and sharp again. Thanks for spending time with me today, quilters. If you want to support this channel and help me buy supplies and materials for future videos, please visit my Buy Me a Coffee page linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye!